Here is a quick German-inspired air fryer vegetable recipe. Serves 4 and takes 40 minutes total. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes, washed and halved. 4 medium carrots, peeled and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds. 12 ounces of Brussels sprouts, trimmed and halved. 1 medium red onion, cut into wedges. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and allow it to run for 5 minutes while you prepare the vegetables. Wash and have 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes so the cut side will roast crisply. Peel and slice 4 medium carrots into 1/4 inch rounds so they cook evenly. Trim and have 12 ounces of Brussels sprouts, removing any loose outer leaves so they roast evenly. Cut 1 medium red onion into wedges to add sweetness and color to the roast. In a large bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk until smooth to make the glaze. Add the prepared potatoes, carrots, Brussels sprouts and red onion to the bowl and toss thoroughly so every piece is coated with the mustard honey glaze. Arrange the coated vegetables in a single layer in the air fryer basket. If necessary, roast in 2 batches to avoid overcrowding so they crisp evenly. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and at the 12-minute mark shake or stir the basket gently to promote even browning. Check for tenderness by piercing a potato with a fork. If potatoes need more time, continue cooking for an additional 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the vegetables are golden and tender, transfer them carefully to the matte white serving plate, keeping the roasted pieces intact. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley over the vegetables to add bright color and freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning with a little extra salt or pepper if needed. This completes the preparation of the dish. If you enjoyed this German-style air fryer vegetable recipe, like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell to be notified of new uploads.